Okay, and now we'll work with creating a presentation about Paris. So as I told you before, you press on New, choose Google Slides, blank presentation. Let's say we'll write here Paris. Okay, I remember it was Tahel who wanted to do a presentation about Paris. I will write here by Tahel. Sorry, Tahel, your family name is a little bit complicated for me. Okay, yeah, here we go. So we have Paris by Tahel, and I want something beautiful to put on their background. So I will go just to Google Images, and I will type in a searching tool is what I'm typing is Paris, and I will get millions of pictures. Let's say this one is quite beautiful. It's black and white, but it's very beautiful. Okay, so I will not see the title. Probably I will just move it a little. Here we go. We have Paris, we have a title, we have who prepared the presentation. It's Tahel. You can play with fonts, like you don't like Arial, so move with Courier. You can choose whatever font you want. Wow, this one is beautiful. So next I want to do is to give you more information about Paris, right? I will go again to background. Probably I will not want just to fill it with some color. Let's say this is too solid. Let's say this one. Yeah, looks great. If you didn't know that Paris has only gray roof, so this color is very good for the background of the presentation. I will definitely want to add more pictures. Let's say again Paris. Okay, I will have a picture like Eiffel Tower. Okay, and I will add it here. Here it is. It's so big. I will make it smaller. Let's add something beautiful again. Let's say, oh, this one is perfect. Here it is. Okay, this one of the beautiful church. What will I write here? As far as you remember, I used ChatGPT to create my composition. So here is the first sentence. Paris is a city with many beautiful places to visit. So this is a perfect opening sentence. Let's put it here. Look. Here you go. But what can you see? It's some it looks a little bit ugly, right? So let's make changes. We'll do transparent. Here it is. Let's make beautiful. Oh wow, beautiful font. Wow, that's amazing. Let's make the sentence bigger. Wow, this one looks great. Let's see, slideshow. How does it? Wow, looks perfect. You will also want to play with some animation, okay? Probably you want your pictures just to move or to, let's see, to appear somehow. Motion, not animation, sorry. So we'll add animation, like probably fade in, or fly in front bottom. This one also. Fly out of top. And we will play. Look how it looks like. Okay, click. And this one comes up. So let's do the next slide. Just to train you. I'll do the next slide. I will make a background again. Let's say, I don't remember which one I done. Yes, okay, here it is. So we'll go to ChatGPT again, and the sentence is one of the most famous is the Eiffel Tower. It is big tower that people can all up and see the city from the top. It is very pretty at night when it is lit up. People can also eat at a restaurant in the tower or take a tour to learn more about it. All the information is about Eiffel Tower. We can put all those sentences into one slide or break on two or three slides as well. So let's see, we copy the sentences, we come back to our presentation, we put the sentences here, we choose the transparent elimination, we choose a, let me see, a font, it was this one, it was so beautiful. Okay, we make it bigger, and we need to show, yeah, right, the Eiffel Tower. So let's see. Here it is. Here, come here, beauty. Here you are. And it's here. I can add more pictures as well. I can also add some videos. Okay, I can insert video like this. Let's say a top of Eiffel Tower. Okay, let's see, what do we have? Oh, we don't have, because it's a search engine. Copy by URL. I don't know, I don't have a search. Paste. No videos. Okay, Eiffel Tower. No, weird. Anyways, you can add any link you want. I don't know why it doesn't work right now, but I promise you, you can do it. You can go just to YouTube. Okay, go to YouTube and look for videos there. Here we say, okay, we have also Eiffel Tower at night, whatever you want. So I wish you good luck.